In a bustling city where tall buildings towered over busy streets, there was a small, forgotten sprout struggling to survive in a crack on the sidewalk. Day after day, people hurried past, their minds preoccupied with the rush of urban life. No one noticed the tiny sprout desperately seeking sunlight and water. One day, a young girl named Lily happened to pass by. Lily was a curious and observant child, always noticing the small details others overlooked. Her heart went out to the struggling sprout, so she knelt down and gently lifted it from its harsh surroundings. With tender care, Lily carried the small sprout home. In her backyard, she carefully planted it in a large pot filled with nutrient-rich soil. She placed the pot where it could soak up the warmth of the sun and the nourishment of the rain. Every day, Lily diligently cared for the sprout. She watered it, spoke to it softly, and watched with hope as tiny green shoots emerged from the soil. Weeks passed, and the sprout grew stronger, its roots digging deeper into the earth and its leaves unfurling under Lily's loving care. As time went on, the sprout transformed into a sapling, then into a young tree. Lily watched in awe as the tree stretched towards the sky, its branches spreading wide and providing shade in her backyard. Birds began to nest in its branches, and butterflies fluttered around its blossoms. Years passed, and the tree that had once been a struggling sprout became a magnificent, towering oak. Its strong trunk and leafy canopy were a testament to Lily's patience and kindness. People from the neighborhood would come to admire the tree's beauty and find peace in its shade. One day, as Lily sat beneath the tree, marveling at how far it had come, an elderly neighbor approached her. "Lily," he said with a smile, "this tree is truly remarkable. I remember when it was just a small sprout that you rescued from the sidewalk." Lily nodded, her eyes shining with pride. "Yes, I couldn't bear to see it struggling. I'm glad I could help it grow." The elderly neighbor patted Lily's shoulder gently. "You've taught us all a valuable lesson, my dear. Sometimes, all it takes is a small act of kindness to nurture something wonderful and make a big difference." And so, the story of the tiny sprout that became a majestic tree with the help of a caring girl spread throughout the neighborhood. It reminded everyone that even the smallest gestures of kindness and compassion can lead to extraordinary growth and beauty in the world around us. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel Knowledge Infinity Tamil. Click the bell icon for more inspirational tales and moral stories.